chances to clap and make noise for Deacon Dale during the next two songs. But not yet. Not yet. Wait till he does something first. First, this is the one time in the whole show, the only time in the show, when we will ask you to be very quiet. We want to play for you the most evil sound in the world. And you've got to be quiet so you can properly feel the fucking evil. Take it down. Take it down. It is the sound of an empty beer bottle.